This video from Sharp Help, we're taking a look at error message to do with SD card use on the XE-A range of registers. In particular, on this video we're looking at retry no folder error message. When we press retry, we just get the error message coming back up over and over again. What we're trying to do is reprogram the wiped cache register. So if we select abort and return back to the main screen, the till's just been wiped, so there's no programming information in the till. So what we need to do is we need to tell the register which folder to look in on the SD card. So to do that, SD card mode, folder control, select folder, and if you've got the card loaded it will then come up with the different folders. So I need to choose my till program folder. Now I've selected that folder, I can go back to loading and tell the till to program all data from the SD card. Take 30 seconds or so, but it will now not come with an error message. It'll find the programming data, and when it's finished we'll be able to process a sale with our preset department. So instead of it say department 1, it will say whatever's programmed on the machine. £1 into newspapers, service, and so on and so on. I hope that video has been helpful. There's other videos appearing on screen now to do with programming and using the Sharp XE-A range. You're welcome to watch those. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.